A very warm good morning to one and all present here. So hope you all are healthy and fit at your place. So today we are here with the another video of internet. So here in this video we will learn about some basic concepts of internet, the advantages, disadvantages of internet. We will learn the uses of internet. So for further knowledge about the topic, we will move to our Windows screen where we get the whole knowledge about the topic internet. Okay?
As we all know that the internet has become an important communication tool nowadays. So people use it for sharing the information available in different forms like text, audio, video, etc. Okay. So this technology is based on the telephone network system and satellite communication system. So here we will learn about the basic definition of the internet, okay, and also we will learn the uses of our internet, okay. So here the first is, what is internet? The term internet means interconnected network, okay. The internet is a computer network that is made up of thousands of networks worldwide, okay. Means internet is the collection of thousands of networks worldwide that are connected together. Internet is the worldwide largest computer network. The network of networks is scattered all over the world. Or we can also say that it has been coined from two terms, interconnection and the network, okay. Means it is a large network which connects the various smaller networks of computer that is spread across the world, okay. So we can also say that the internet provides us the connectivity to a million of computers which are further connected in smaller networks, okay. So hope you all are clear with the definition of the internet. Now the next is how the internet developed. Internet was born in late 1960s, okay. The internet has its root in the ARPANET system of, the full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Project Agency, okay. This is the US Department of Defense, which linked together mainframe computers to form a communication network. So ARPANET is known as the forefather of the internet. Here no one owns the internet, but the US Defense, that is the ARPA. US Defense work on a system that is the telecommunication system. Under designing of the telecommunication system, the net is designed called the ARPANET. Prior it is known as the ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency, okay, and later it is known as the internet, okay. So here we will learn about the uses of internet. Internet is one of the most effective mode of communication in these days. So this facility can be used on any type of computer like your PC, laptop, tablets or the smartphones. So let us here discuss what are the major uses of this facility. So we know that we can use the internet in receiving the message anywhere across the world. We can get the information on any topic. We can talk to other using the text or voice messages, okay. So here one by one we will discuss about some uses of internet, okay. Uses of internet. Here the first use is social networking. So what is social networking? As we discussed in our prior video, that social networking is a networking site that allows the people to communicate with one another online. So social networking sites provides a medium for the peoples to connect and interact with each other, okay. So here number of social networking sites are available like your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, MySpace, Google Plus, through which you are connected with your relative one or your loved ones, okay, and you can share your thoughts, views, your photographs, images and videos also, okay. So in this area the internet is mainly uses. So now the next is in the field of communication, chat and video chat. For the purpose of the chatting and video chatting purpose, we will use the internet. Chat with your contacts directly within the Gmail. We can directly contact with our we can directly communicate with our contacts by using the Gmail, by using the WhatsApp, by using the WeChat, by using the many other applications, okay. You can ever talk face to face with built-in video chat. We can also connect with our relatives one by using the face-to-face video chat, okay. interact with peers, experts and other audience. We can also organize the audio conferencing and video conferencing. Okay, online submission of assignment and the file sharing means we can also submit our assignment online to our teachers, to our colleagues and to our relatives also. Okay, now the next is in the field of the career development. We can also use the internet in the field of the career development. Like many students used to use the internet to either start planning their careers or furthering their careers. Okay, like many websites exist to help our students to decide on college courses fit their expected careers. Okay, so today number of websites are available through which user or a student can take the admission in online in various universities. Okay, now the next is video. We can broadcast ourselves or we can broadcast our video tutorials from where people can learn more effectively and innovatively than the books. On the YouTube channel, number of tutorials or video lectures are available through which a user can learn a lot of things. Okay, and this is the innovative idea rather than the book. Okay, now the next is publish yourself, means we can make or we can create our blogs, we can create our blogging sites through which the people want to publicize their work so that it reaches the maximum number of peoples. Okay, means we can share our thoughts and views by using the blogging. Okay, now the next is research. In the field of research, the internet is also used, like gathering, analyzing and sharing the information about any particular topic or about any research papers. We can also write the research papers. The internet is a wealth of information, as is one of the best way to find the information fast and efficiently. Okay, your Wikipedia or the free encyclopedia like your Google, through which you can search the history or search the data over the internet. Okay, now the next is updated on the latest news, means we can update through the latest news by using the internet sites, the news and other happenings that may be ongoing in different parts of the world. So we can update easily by using the internet services and update in every fields like sports, politics, etc. Okay, the next is financial transaction. Today this takes a new place, or this will creates a new era in the field of technology. We can pay the internet, we can pay through the internet banking, payments of bill, money transfer. Here number of applications are available for the financial transaction through which we can transfer our amount from one bank to another and one person to another, like your MobiKwik wallet, Freecharge, Amazon Pay, Ola Money, Phone Pay, Jio Money, Airtel Money, PayJapp. Okay, so here number of financial transaction apps are available through which you can do the financial banking. Okay, the next is online shopping. This is the main area where the internet is uses nowadays. Okay, like online shopping is the activity or the actions of buying the products or service over the internet. Okay, means the user can purchase anything from the internet. Okay, he or she don't want to go outside the home. Okay, online stores usually enable shoppers to use search features to find the specific models like brands or the items. Okay, here number of websites, online websites are available. You can also say the e-commerce website like a Flipkart, Amazon, Shopclues, Myntra, etc. Okay, now some of the other uses of internet are your online booking. You can online book any resort, any hotel, any plane, anything, means any transportation at all, by using the online booking service. Okay, the next is job search. We can also search the job over the internet. It is also used for the purpose of the entertainment, like we can listen audio, video, we can watch the movies over the internet. The next is downloading and uploading. So uploading and downloading both are the tasks that can be done by using the internet. Okay, so the next is how to connect our system with the internet. Verbally we will know that how we can connect our system with the internet. We can connect with the internet using the wired or the wire technology. but there are some basic requirements for connecting the internet with our system. So what are that basic requirements? So that basic requirements are computer system, or you can say it a device, any of the device, okay, to whom you wants to connect with the internet. The second thing is modem. Modem is a device that is known as the modulator and demodulator. The next is ISP, that is your internet service provider, like your BSNL, Voda, Idea. So these all are the internet service provider, okay. The next is communication network. So communication network, basically it connects the computer to the internet, so the data can be transferred easily through the long distance, okay. So for that we need a communication network, like your mobile network, like your telephone network, etc, okay. So that's all about the basic knowledge of the internet, okay. So here we will first discuss about the pros and cons, that is the advantages and disadvantages of the internet, okay. So here first we move to the advantages of our internet. So here first advantage is faster communication. The foremost target of the internet has always been speedy communication, and it has excelled way beyond the expectations. New innovations are only going to make it faster and more reliable. Now you can communicate in fraction of seconds with a person who is sitting in other part of the world. With the help of search services, it has become very easy to establish a kind of global friendship where you can share your thoughts and explore other cultures. Means through the internet or using the internet we can share our data very easily. Means if we want to communicate with our friend that is sitting to the other end or the other part of the world, then we can easily share the files, audio, video, transfer the data. So to transferring such these kind things, it becomes a communication. So for the communication purpose, internet is a very good mean, okay. Now the next is for the use entertainment. Means we can also use the internet for the entertainment purpose, like it is entertainment is another popular reason why many people prefer to surf the internet. In fact, the internet has become quite successful in trapping the multifaceted entertainment industry. Downloading the game or just surfing the celebrity websites are some of the uses people have discovered, okay. Means as we all know that today's people are spending lots of their time on the internet, so internet is the main mean of the entertainment, okay. Most of the people have spent their time on the internet, so they can do like downloading the game, just surfing the internet, surfing the website or celebrities sites, okay. And TikTok, Savan, Spotify, Hotstar, Netflix, there are so many other applications on which the user or the persons can spend their time easily, okay. Now the next advantage of internet is promote your product. Means we can online promote our product. If we have any store, anything, so we can sell it or buy it, or we can do anything like related to the promotion task, related to the selling task over the internet, okay. So here internet is one of the best and cheapest way to promote your business or product, okay. Starting from $10, just you have to spend $10, that you can already have your own website and starting reaching by the potential customers, okay. Means you don't need to spend too much amount for the promotion. You just have to spend a minimum amount of $10, so you can create your own website that helps you to reaching your potential customers, okay. Now you can also use the multiply or the blogger if you don't want to spend more money for your website. Another way to promote your product is to creating the blogging site, okay. If you become a blogger, you can write your articles, anything else on the internet, or you can sell it, okay. This one is the main mean of promoting your products. Now the next is online news. Today some newspapers are attempting to integrate the internet into every aspect of their operations. That is, the reporters writing stories for both print and online, and classified advertisement appearing in both medias. Other operate websites that are more distinct from the printed newspaper. Means today number of companies are there who can sell the online or the offline news. So the user can watch the online news over the internet anytime. It is auto updated. Okay. The next advantage of the internet is education. Means in our education system, the main role plays by the internet. Okay. Education is one of the best thing that the internet can provide. There are number of books, you can say there are number of e-books, reference books, online help centers, expert views and other studies oriented materials on the internet are available. Okay. There are lots of websites which are related to the different topics. You can visit them and can gain endless amount of knowledge than you wish to have. With the use of the internet for education, you are no longer dependent on some other person to come and teach you. There can't be any excellent use of the internet other than education, as it is the key to achieve the everything in life. Means internet plays a vital role in the field of education. So today number of e-books and reference books are available over the internet, through which you can learn and you can gain the knowledge. Apart of that, there are lots of websites that on a single click allows you to search the multiple topics. Means you can find any of the topic that is related to your subject. So you doesn't require any person to come and teach you. Okay. Means this is the excellent use of the internet in the field of education. Okay. The next field is in the field of research. In order to do the research, you need to go through the hundred of books as well as the reference, and that was one of the most difficult job to do earlier. Since the internet came into the life, everything is available just on a single click. You just have to search the concerned topic and you will get hundred of references that may be beneficial for your research. And since internet is here to make your research public, so you can then benefit a large amount of people from the research work that you have done. Research is one such thing that has got lots of benefit from this evolution of the internet. Means earlier if we want to do the research, then we have to go through the number of books, we have to read the number of books, reference books. That was the most difficult job. But now on a single click over the internet, you can search any of the thing. It will take few seconds to search about a particular topic, and it also allows us to publish our research paper online. That is more beneficial. Okay. And it can be reached to up to the amount of peoples, so it can be done by a single click only. Okay. Now the next is social networking. Today in the field of social networking, internet is mostly used. Number of users are always online. Okay. One cannot imagine an online life without the Facebook or the Twitter. Social networking has become so popular amongst youth that it might one day replace physical networking. It has evolved as a great medium to connect with the millions of peoples with similar interest. Apart from that finding long lost friend, you can also look for a job, business opportunities. Okay. Means social networking are the networking sites that allows the user to communicate between two or more than two peoples. Okay. So basically today number of networking sites are available on the internet that is used for the that can provide the easy communication. Okay. Face to face or the text or the video audio conversation also. Okay. Means one day we know that number of people spend their time on the internet, one day it will replace with the physical networking. So today, a part of chatting and video conferencing, we can do number of things on the social networking sites. Like we can search the job on the LinkedIn. There are a number of accounts like LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay. We can also find out the business opportunities. We can also promote our product using the social networking sites. Okay. Now the next is easy file sharing. File sharing is the practice of providing the access to the digitally stored information such as computer program, multimedia documents or the electronic books. It may apply through a variety of ways Common methods of storage, transmission and dispersion include manual sharing utilizing removable media. Means we can also easily share our files over the internet. Okay, we can easily share our audio, video, photograph. Okay. Next is online services. Internet provides us many online services like with numerous online services we can perform all our transactions online. You can book the online movie ticket, online party ticket, transfer phones, pay utility bills, taxes at all. Okay, and right from your home. Means you don't have to go to any particular place to do your work. You just have to sit on your home, sit at your place and just do all the tasks in a single click by using your smartphones or by using your laptops. Okay, but you just required only a single internet connection and a little knowledge of using that. Now, some of the disadvantages, that is the some of the cons of internet are theft of personal information. This is the main problem with the internet. If you use the internet for online banking, social networking or other services, you may risk a theft to your personal information such as your name, address, credit card number, debit card details. People can access this information through unsecured connection or by planting software and then use your personal details for their benefits. Needless to say, this may land you in serious trouble. Means sometimes there we have seen that number of users have the Facebook account and other details on the internet. So sometime it may be cause the theft of their personal information that becomes very serious. Okay, sometimes it becomes very serious, like someone has stealing your mobile number, credit card number, debit card number, and they will transfer the amount from your bank account without your knowledge. Okay, so it's come under the category of the cybercrime. The next is spamming. Spamming refers to sending the unwanted emails which serve no purpose and needlessly obstruct the computer system. Such illegal activities can be very frustrating as it makes it slower to access our email account and makes the entire services unreliable for consumers. Means spamming is one of the biggest disadvantage of the internet. Means if you have a Gmail account or your email account, then unwanted mail comes to your account that can be very frustrating. Okay, and it also the responsible for the slower speed of your computer system. Okay. The next disadvantage is social isolation. So what is it? There is an addiction for everything that pertains to the web, and that includes the excessive surfing, online gambling, social networking and gaming addiction. Okay, means if we spend more on our time on the social networking or the social things, then it becomes a social isolation for us, like excessive surfing, online gambling, social networking and gambling addiction. So it turns to the addiction. Okay, there are now psychiatric clinics and doctors that specify cater to resolving the problems created by the internet. So these addictions create both physical as well as mental issues that can be lead to the health complications if left unattended. Okay. The next is loneliness. Another proposed disadvantage is that a couple of studies have found strong correlations between the frequency of internet use and loneliness. Means if a people is much active in the social life at all, then sometimes or it is seen that or it is more likely to become lonely and depressed than those that don't. Okay. The next is virus threat. Internet users are often plagued by virus attacks on their system. Virus programs are inconspicuous and may get activated if you click a seemingly harmless link. Computers connected to the internet are very prone to targeted virus attacks and may end up crashing. Means if you have used number of websites, then the risk of virus attacks in your computer through which your computer system get affected. Okay, means you may get the activated link